Hey everyone, and welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you how to quickly and easily convert a JSON file to a PDF format. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type vertopl.com convert JSON to PDF and press enter. Click on the first relevant search result to open the Vertopl website. Once you're on the site, click on the Choose File button. Select the JSON file you want to convert from your computer and click Open. Your file will now start uploading. When the upload is complete, simply click the Continue button. Next, locate and click the Convert button. The website will process your JSON data and format it into a PDF document. Once the conversion is finished, a download button will appear on your screen. Click it to save the new PDF file directly to your computer. Finally, open your new file to ensure all the data has been converted properly, and that's it. A quick and simple way to convert your JSON files. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a second to like this video, subscribe to ClearTask, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.